Oh, you know what? No, they're still cold.
Okay, so forget that. We can use that. I could throw in the rest of the bread though, right?
You don't want the bread anymore?
No, I don't. Here, guys. They catch them in the air. If you put it in your hair, they come and peck it out of your hair. Would you be afraid if I did that? Would you afraid? Timmy, would you be afraid?
Yes! I'd be terrified. Don't, Antonio, don't.
Oh my God. Okay. Hold on to this. Is it a little more? No. Okay. I'm gonna take that. Okay. Oh, look at this funny one came over now.